So, do you remember what we have discussed in our last lecture? Anyone? Anyone, do you remember what we have discussed in our last lecture? Am I audible? मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है आप लोगों को?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, what we have discussed in the last lecture? Do you remember what were the consonants?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, should I ask you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Or have you forgotten? So, how many consonants were there? How many consonants were there? Why no one is saying? Today also we are going to see phonetics. Okay. So you know na what are the consonants? What is the symbol for per sound?
P.
P. Small p or capital P.
Small p, ma'am.
And rest of the students? Why only one is answering? Only Hariom is answering. Where are you? Rest of the students? Are you there? Are you listening to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Then I want answers from everyone. Please say something. P. Alright. Then what is the symbol for? And what are the words? What are the examples from P per sound? What are the examples? Can you tell me the examples?
Parrot, parallel,
Parallel,
pigeon.
party.
Okay. And what else?
Wait, map.
Okay. Where is rest of the students? Why are you not answering the question? You are there in the last lecture, na? Are you listening to me? I want answers from everyone because this is phonetics, right? This is a grammar paper. So I want answers from everyone. Who were not there in the last lecture? Is there anyone who was not there in the last lecture, who was absent in the last lecture? Mishra Dolly. Okay, you are absent. And where were you? Where were you all? We have started with grammar paper and we have started with phonetics. Okay. So what is the symbol for T?
T.
Small p.
Right. T, small t or capital T?
Small t.
Small t.
Small t. And what are the examples from T? T,
Tomato.
tomato. Okay. Then,
Teacher.
okay. And
Tiger,
green. Okay. Then what we have seen? Sir. Then next word we have, next consonant is sir, S sound.
Small s.
small
Small
s.
s. Okay. And what are the examples?
Sun.
Okay.
Sunday,
Okay.
circle, sight,
Okay. And then next what we have? What was the symbol? Next symbol, please tell me the next symbol. What was the next consonant?
Z,
Which one?
Z,
Z, right. Z. So what are the words from Z? What was the symbol for Z?
small
Small
z.
z.
Small z. Z. How it is pronounced Z, right? Z.
Zebra.
Yes.
Zebra.
And
Xerox.
Okay. And
Genius.
genius. Genius will not come. Genius is G. G sound. J. We're talking about Z. Z, right?
Zero.
Yes. Zero is okay. And
Lazy.
okay. Now next, what was next? Do you remember? K. What is the
J.
pronunciation? What? J. Okay.
J.
J
It's
के लिए कौन सा
T.
symbol है? Do you remember what was the symbol for J?
3.
Small D. 3.
Small d and
3.
D3.
Yes, ma'am.
D and उसके नीचे 3, right? So
Yes,
what are the
ma'am.
words from J?
Joker.
Okay, good. And
Jug.
sorry?
Jug.
Yes. And what else?
Jam.
Jacobi Nera.
Yes. Okay, J. Right. Why only 3-4 students are answering? Where are you, rest of the students? You are there in the lecture, na? Then why aren't you answering me? Where are you, students? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. Then why aren't you answering me? Please answer everyone. Then next, what was the symbol? Next symbol? J. J is done, right? For year, what we use for year? What was the symbol for year? Year.
J.
J. J.
J. J, right? Small j or capital J?
Small.
Small j. And what are the words? Examples from J? Sorry, year.
Yash.
Yellow.
Yeah.
Yazoo Park.
Okay, good. Yash, are you there in the class? Yash. Hello, Yash, are you there in the class?
Yes, miss.
So why aren't you giving the answer? You were present in the last lecture, na?
मिस थोड़ा बैकग्राउंड नॉइज है पीछे इसलिए
Okay, no problem. So at least you can type in message chat box, na?
बस कर रहा हूँ टाइप आप देख रही हो
मैसेज कहाँ पर आ रहा है? एक सेकेंड.
आ रहा मैम आ रहा है इसको.
ओके राइट, हाँ अभी दिखा मुझे, सॉरी. यस. सो नेक्स्ट वी हैव, व्हाट वाज द नेक्स्ट सिंबल? द. व्हाट इज द? व्हाट वाज द सिंबल फॉर द? डू यू रिमेंबर?
उल्टा
Yes,
टिक
ma'am.
उसके ऊपर ऐसा लाइन.
राइट. बाकी सब पता है. व्हाट वाज द सिंबल फॉर द? द का सिंबल क्या है? व्हाट इज द सिंबल फॉर द?
दादर.
एग्जाम्पल्स. ओके. नाउ व्हाट आर द एग्जाम्पल्स? दादर एंड
There.
There.
देयर एंड
Mother.
मदर, राइट. एंड अदर. ओके, गुड.
Father.
The, right. So that was the examples from the. Okay, now next, and those who are absent, please make sure that you attend the lectures regularly, because this is grammar paper, and if you miss one lecture, then you will miss everything. You will not understand everything. Okay, so please attend the lectures regularly from tomorrow. Then next, what is the next symbol? B. Now next is B. What is the word?
Small b.
Small b, right. So what are the examples?
Birds. Book.
Bird, book,
Wood.
and
Books.
Bubble.
right, and
B.
bus, balloon,
Bag.
and what else? Board.
B.
Ha, that is also correct. Done. Then next, what is the next symbol? K is done. K.
No, ma'am.
No.
Small k.
So what is the symbol for K? K.
Small k.
Small.
K.
Okay. And what are the examples?
Kite. Kitten.
Kite. Okay. And
Kangaroo.
yes. And cake. Right. Cake is also there. Then what
Black.
else? Sorry?
Black.
Black. Yes, black is also there.
Carrot.
Yes, right. Now next, what is the next symbol? Casual, like je. Okay. Now we have the next
Three.
symbol je. What is the symbol for je?
Three. Three.
3. Yes, right.
Three.
Yes. And what are the words? What are the examples for je?
Garage.
Visual.
Usual. Casual.
Yes,
Pleasure.
What? Can you please?
Pleasure.
Pleasure. Yes. And what else? Symbol for je. What are the words for je? And who else will answer? Visual. Yes. And who else? Those who are absent, at least you can tell the examples now. You don't know any examples also? Okay, we will move on. Usual. Yes, usual is also there. So now we have the sound for w, जिसमें stress आता है. Okay, the w in which we have stress. So what was the symbol for w? We have two w, right? V and w, V and w, right? Do you remember?
Yes.
So now we have the one in which we have stressed. So what was the one in which we use stress? जिसमें stress आता है वो कौन सा वो है?
W. Small W.
Right, very good. So what are the words from W? Were,
Wet. Window.
wet, window,
What? Why?
water, and what else? With. Okay, and what are the words?
Wash.
Wash. Okay, and W से कौन से words आते हैं?
Spice.
Okay, done. Now next we have again were, that is V. So what are the words from V? Were का pronunciation.
Voice. Victor. Van.
Voice,
Video.
Vocal.
vocal,
Vehicle.
yes. Voice,
Victor.
Victor, yes. And
Violin.
Van.
okay, value. Okay, and what else? And what else? You all have your notes with you, right? नोट्स में से देखकर बता रहे हैं सब लोग या बिना देखे बता रहे हैं? नोट्स में से देखकर कौन कौन बता रहा है?
गूगल कर दो गूगल.
नो वन इज सीइंग द नोट्स. वॉल्यूम. ओके,
Victim.
हाँ, राइट. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी हैव आर. र का साउंड.
Capital R.
नो,
Sorry, small r.
Small R.
small r. Please make sure that you don't have to write anything in capital letters. In phonetics, everything should be written in small letters. Okay? Nothing should be written in capital letters. You have to write everything in small letter. And कैसे लिखना है हमको? Slash में. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have to write in slash. Not, we don't have to use any bracket. Just we have to use the slash. And then उसमें हमको we have to write all the words. Okay? And that too in small letters. So now we have the sound for R, R. What are the words?
Rabbit.
Rose.
Yes.
Ravan.
Okay. Yes. And
Red.
Reduction.
yes, reduction. Yes, rain and rice. Rate,
Regular.
regular. Yes. Okay, done. Right. Then next we have, what is remaining? Sir is done. Sir is done, right?
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure is
Third
remaining.
bucket.
Now we have sure. Sure, right? Do you remember sure?
Yes.
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
the symbol for sure?
That big S.
What is the symbol for sure?
बड़ा वाला S. Big S.
Right. Big S ऐसा वाला ना. So that is the symbol for sh. Now what are the words from sh?
Shine.
SH. Shine. Very good.
Choose.
Shravan. Yes.
Shower.
Yes.
Scan.
Shower.
What?
Shower. Show.
What?
Scan. Scanner.
What are the words?
Scanner.
आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी. It's not clear.
Scanner.
Okay. हाँ. Then we have Sunday. No, Sunday will not come. sh में Sunday नहीं आएगा. Okay, because now the pronunciation is sh, not s. Okay, remember. So Sunday में जो है वो s use होता है, right? Sunday नहीं बोलते ना हम. We say Sunday. So Sunday में sh का pronunciation नहीं आ रहा, so we cannot use Sunday for sh. Sharma is okay, then show is also okay, then shower is also okay. Okay. So now we have seen sh, right? Then next, what is remaining? G is done. G is remaining. What is the symbol for G?
Small G.
Small g. Small g, right? And what are the examples? What are this?
Glue.
Blue.
Game book.
Glue.
Glue. Yeah, right. Yes.
Game book.
Dog.
Gather.
G से
Gather. G.
Gadar.
Together?
Yeah. No, giraffe. Look, again, giraffe is wrong. Giraffe comes from look. I think you are absent or you were there, Bharti Sania. You were there in the lecture, Bharti.
मैम जेनेटिक आएगा.
जो नहीं, जेनेटिक भी नहीं आएगा. लुक
Together?
यहाँ पर सी इन इंग्लिश हमारे जो अल्फाबेट्स है हम कैसे देखते हैं, स्पेलिंग वाइज देखते हैं, राइट? जी से जो स्पेलिंग आ रही है फिर हम उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन अकॉर्डिंगली करते हैं, राइट? बट इन फोनेटिक्स इट डजंट डिपेंड ऑन द स्पेलिंग. इट डजंट, फोनेटिक्स इज अ मैटर ऑफ प्रोनाउंसिएशन. ओके, तो आपका प्रोनाउंसिएशन जो वर्ड दिया है उसमें कैसा प्रोनाउंस हो रहा है.
गेस्ट.
हाँ, गेस्ट. हाँ, गेस्ट ग आएगा उसमें. ओके भारती, सो डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? तो आपने जो वर्ड यूज किया था, कौन सा वर्ड था वो? जिराफ. जिराफ विल कम इन ज. ओके, जिराफ में ज का प्रोनाउंसिएशन आ रहा है ना, ग कहीं नहीं आ रहा है. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ग. ओके, सो ग में गन है, राइट? देन डॉग भी है. देन व्हाट एल्स? गर्टिट्यूड. यस. देन ओके, so what are the words g से? Can you please repeat once again? What are the?
Grapes.
Yes. Next.
Flag.
Yes. Okay, so now you understood. Please don't get confused. Okay, grammar. Yes, grammar will also come. That is the g से उसका pronunciation आ रहा है. Okay. Then next comes ch. The sound for ch. What is the sound for ch? What are the symbol? What is the
Small
symbol?
t.
S.
Small t and
बड़ा वाला S.
right. Small t and बड़ा वाला s. Okay. So what are the examples from ch?
Church.
Church.
Chimney.
Chapter.
Yes.
Check.
Check. Right.
Character.
Chair.
Charger.
Charger.
Right. Yeah. Right. And what else?
Chairman.
Yes. Right.
Chair.
Chair. Yes. Chair will also come. Okay. Then next we have n ka sound. No. Yes. Chalk is also
N.
correct. No. What is the n? न में कौन सा
Small.
symbol use होगा?
Small N.
Right. Small n. And what are the words from n? No.
Noise.
Noise. Nose. Then
Nagpur. Nagar.
Nagpur. Nagar.
अरे.
Right.
Near.
नरेटर.
Naughty.
नरेटर.
न से क्या कहा आपने?
Near.
Neither. Okay. Nest.
नाला सुपारा.
Nala Sopara.
Naigaon.
Naigao. Yes. Done. So these are the words from n sound. Okay. Next we have m. What is the symbol for m?
Small m.
Small m.
Small m, right. Very good. And what are the words from m?
Mango.
Monday,
Monkey,
monkey,
myself,
myself,
Mickey
mother,
Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. Okay. Next,
Mala.
mountain,
mala, right. Okay, done.
mad,
Mad, yes. Okay, done. Okay. Where is the next? Where are you, students? Rest of the students, where are you?
सो रहे हैं.
बस ऑनलाइन आ गए सब लेक्चर्स अटेंड करने के लिए, अटेंडेंस के लिए, राइट? आपको ग्रामर समझ में ही नहीं आएगा अगर आप लोग आंसर्स दोगे नहीं तो कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आएगा आप लोगों को. एटलीस्ट गिव द आंसर्स ना, यू कैन गिव द एग्जाम्पल्स. यू आर नॉट गिविंग द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑल्सो, एज इफ यू डोंट नो एनीथिंग. Okay, next we have ing. Ing ka next we have the pronunciation for ing. So what is the symbol for ing? ing.
small n, उसके
N
नीचे
and cut.
line.
Right, small n and then uske niche line. Okay, so that is the symbol for ing. Okay, so what are the words from ing? Morning,
Right.
walking, right, thinking, and
Painting, writing,
Reasoning.
yes, raining,
Morning.
morning, yes,
Evening.
evening, studying. So the words that will come ing, जिस भी words में आएगा, so that will come under the ing pronunciation. Okay, ing का pronunciation आ जाएगा. बस difference क्या रहेगा? symbol का. Studying, yes, studying is also there. Very good. Then next, her. What is the symbol for her?
small h.
Small h. And what are the words?
Hello,
Household.
hey,
Horse.
Hello,
Hurry up.
horse. Hi. Helicopter.
house, hat,
Hat. Okay.
Hakuna Batata.
Very good.
Hariom bhi ma'am.
Hari Om. Yes.
See?
Okay, so these are the words from H. All right. Then next, what is remaining? L. L. L is remaining. What is the sound for L?
small h.
Small L. And what are the examples?
Lol.
Love.
Love.
Love Yatri.
And
Okay. And letter.
Lion,
Yes. And what else?
lecture.
Lemon.
Hemant.
Lemon. Nimbu.
Okay. Yes. Life. Letter. All right. So L is clear. Long.
Hello.
Look. Look is also there. Okay. Then next we have, now comes th. Th ka sound. What is the th?
Theta.
Theta. So what are the words from th?
Thanks.
Thanks,
Thunder.
right? And
think,
Island.
Thailand. Okay. And
think,
Scary.
think.
art,
Theater. Yes.
Theory.
thunder,
Okay. Who has written laugh? Mishra Dolly. Laugh will come under th.
वो पहले का लिखिए.
अच्छा वो पहले का है. नहीं 932.
network issue रहेगा मैम.
Okay. So laugh will not come under th. Okay. Theater will come. Then what else will come?
Saliva.
Okay. Yes. Thor. Yes.
Oh.
Theory. And what else?
Through,
Throw will also come. Thunder. Yes. Very good. So this all will come under th. Now what is remaining? Is there any symbol which is remaining?
fur,
Per is remaining. Yes. Per and b is also remaining, na?
no ma'am, f, fur,
V. V.
no ma'am, f, fur,
F,
flower
F,
वाला.
Okay.
flower.
F. Okay. Fur. Yes. Fur is remaining. So what is the symbol for fur?
Small f.
Small f.
Small f. And what are the examples? What are the words from fur?
Flower.
flower,
Fish.
Fountain.
yes, frog, flow, fruits, fun, bar,
Pancetta.
yes,
Fake.
yes, done. So these are the words from F, right? For ka sound. Then what else is remaining? Anything is remaining now?
X.
H. H is done.
P.
X. X.
Yes, P and B is remaining, right? Only this two
Yes,
are.
ma'am.
And I think D. D ka sound is also remaining. Wait, huh?
मैम X भी बचा है.
I think
मैम ड
D,
ड हो
right?
गया हो
So
गया
what is the symbol for D?
डी डी
D, right? Small d.
यस
And what are the words?
डॉग एड
Dog, add, drama, doctor,
यस
yes. And what else?
डिड
Dude.
Okay,
Date.
yes. क्या काम
Dark.
है? Date. Disaster. Drone.
Dark.
हाँ. Yes. Are you saying some?
डायनासोर
Dinosaur, right. Okay, so these are the,
Damage.
yes, right. So these are the words from D, okay. Now what else is remaining? B is remaining. Now only B is remaining. Everything is done now. We have discussed everything, only B is remaining. So what is the symbol for B?
Small B.
Small b. And what are the words?
Blackberry.
Blackberry, yes. Bird,
Babita.
babita, yes. Next,
Banana.
black, banana, burn,
Blushing.
bank,
Blushing. Blushing.
yes, right. Bye, yes. Okay, so these are the words from B. So now we have seen all the consonants. So all the consonants is clear. Do you have any doubt?
यस मैम
You have any doubt with the consonants?
No, ma'am.
No? All clear? So
Yes,
now we
ma'am.
can move on to vowels and diphthongs, right? Okay, so who
Clear,
will take
clear.
the attendance now?
Hariom Mishra.
Hariom, you are going to take the attendance?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, please take the attendance.
Ma'am, I take the attendance.
Yes, please take the attendance.